Hi, we are Jan and Yukari. We are a German-Japanese couple with a big dream to turn our van into a mobile home and explore the world. This van build is the beginning of our adventure. In the last video, we were making the floor. Used leftover slats, sheep wool for isolation, installed a vapor barrier and wooden plates as well as a cover. Check that out if you haven't yet. So today, it's time to make the ceiling and walls. First we took the sheep wool, which is soft and easy to handle, and filled up all the little spaces. Then we put most of the wool to the walls, without pressing it, and sealed it with the vapor barrier. Is that how to do it? Not sure, but we did it. After that, we used some leftover wood pieces and built a frame around the pirate space. We measured, cut to size, then sand the corners, connect with screws, and voila! This is how it looked. Next, we prepared the panels that we bought in the local department store. Yukari measured and I cut. Long pieces for the ceiling and shorter ones for the walls. The paint we used is a white one from Osmo. It turned out to look a little different than we thought, but anyways. So today we will make our ceiling. We have some wood pieces here that we will use, and if there is enough time we will do the walls as well. It was not enough time and I just wanted to practice talking to the camera. Walls and back wall, and that's the plan, ne?
Yeah.
Do it! I was just starting to make the holes for our LED lights when my father came and gave some advice. I needed the correct diameter, and that drill bit was the only one we had. And it worked. Now we are checking the lights. We bought some LED lights, and you can change the color, and it's with a remote controller, which is pretty cool. We had some difficulties in the beginning. Yes, it really took time to make them work and figure out the electrics. But now, actually quite fine. We are now thinking about where to put the lights. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. And I'm proud of it.
This is Till. Quite good.
Huh?
A little bit too much, no?
It's okay. Like this.
One by one we attached the panels with little screws to wooden sticks that I attached before.
Yo. Looks nice.
The panels were easy to handle, and the second hand was very nice. Man sollte nicht vergessen, es ist gerade fast 11 Uhr. In Germany, you have to be careful not to annoy your neighbors.
but we wanted to finish the ceiling. The cables we collected and prepared for later on being behind the shelf. That you can see in the next episode.
We will always remember this moment because of this little mark. Otherwise it would be too perfect, yeah? Need to be honest. Yeah. Also without this one, like, hello? Too crazy, yo. Yeah, verschieden. Cable.
We had a little tea and were satisfied with the installation. A good night's sleep was for sure.
First mess on the floor.
What?
First mess on the floor. So this is what we made today. The back door. Took longer than expected. Then we made this one. It's a little bit dark. And we made this one.
Tell us about your van build and how you made your walls. Your engagement is our motivation. Subscribe, like, and see you in the next episode, where we build the bed and shelf.
Looks really good. Yay!